While you slept, your agent was working. 3 emails drafted and waiting in your inbox. A research brief on your biggest open question. Your week organized based on what actually matters. Every one of those took you an hour. Your agent did them in the background at 2 in the morning. This isn't a chatbot that answers when you talk to it. This is infrastructure. It runs when you're not there. It learns what you care about. It gets sharper every single day. Builders who run this stack wake up ahead. Not because they worked harder, because something worked for them. Research done, drafts ready, context current. You didn't hire an assistant. You built one. The Reclaw Playbook, $67. reclawplaybook.com.